Why are trenches important in archaeological excavation? Imagine trying to piece together a puzzle without knowing what the picture looks like. That's similar to how archaeologists work when they want to understand ancient sites. Trenches are like the edges of that puzzle, helping us see how the pieces fit together. They are long, narrow cuts made into the ground, usually about 1 to 2 meters wide and several meters long. These trenches allow archaeologists to carefully examine the different layers of soil and find clues about past human activity. When archaeologists dig trenches, they can see the different soil layers, called stratigraphy. Each layer tells a story about a different time period. By studying these layers, they can figure out the sequence of events at the site. This is important because it helps build a timeline of how people lived, worked, and changed the environment over hundreds or even thousands of years. Instead of excavating the entire site, which can be very expensive and time-consuming, archaeologists focus on specific trenches. This way, they can gather detailed information without disturbing the whole area. Trenches also help locate buried features like walls, ditches, or pits. These features reveal how the site was organized and used. For example, a trench might uncover the remains of a fireplace or a storage pit, giving clues about daily life. They also help identify artifacts like pottery, tools, or bones, which are often found in specific layers. By carefully recording where each find is located within the trench, archaeologists can understand how different objects relate to each other in space and time. Another key role of trenches is to serve as a sampling method. Instead of excavating randomly, archaeologists choose strategic spots to dig trenches based on surface clues or previous surveys. This helps them focus on areas with the highest potential for important discoveries. Trenches are also useful in construction projects. When new buildings or roads are planned, archaeologists can quickly excavate trenches to see if any cultural remains are present. If they find something valuable, they can decide how to protect or preserve it before construction begins. In practical terms, excavating trenches involves heavy machinery to remove large amounts of soil quickly. After that, archaeologists use hand tools like trowels and brushes to carefully uncover artifacts and features. Safety measures such as shoring or terracing are used to prevent trench collapses. This careful balance of speed and precision makes trenches a vital part of archaeological methods. Overall, trenches are a fundamental technique because they give a clear, organized way to explore buried history. They help archaeologists understand how sites developed over time and what life was like for the people who once lived there. By carefully planning and executing trench excavations, archaeologists can piece together stories from the past in a way that's both efficient and respectful of the site.